able to find some of the 20 amino acids here. Okay, so coming to the amino acid names. So these are the names of amino acids, and the amino acid structure looks like this. So each amino acid has one amino group at the N-terminal end and another carboxyl group at the C-terminal end. So glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, methionine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, proline, serine, threonine, cysteine, tyrosine, asparagine, glutamine, aspartic acid, glutamic acid, lysine, arginine and histone. Okay, histidine. So these are all the amino acid which consist of polar, non-polar, acidic and basic. So the overall amino acid names is here. So as we said before, the amino acids are made up of, proteins are made up of amino acids. So proteins, they have several structures based on the shape of the protein. Okay. So this is the protein structure. So there are mainly four types of structure. One is primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary structure. So coming to the primary structure. So what the primary structure looks like is, so this is the amino acid, individual amino acid. You will able to find this round. So this is one amino acid, this is one amino acid, this is one amino acid. So each amino acid is get linked with the help of polypeptide bonds. So peptide bond is the bond which links one amino acid to another. So peptide bond connects one amino acid to the another. So one or more peptide bonds joined together, it is called as polypeptide. Okay. So if two amino acids are connected by two peptide bond, it is called dipeptide. When three amino acids are linked together, called tripeptide. So that more than 10 peptide bonds links together to form a polypeptide bond. So this is the linear sequence. It looks like the straight chain. So the linear sequence of amino acid through the polypeptide bonds is the primary structure. Clear? So coming to the secondary structure, when this linear structure gets folded, so straighter structure, when it gets folded, it comes to the secondary structure. So the folded is in the form of two types. One is alpha helix and another one is beta pleated sheets. Okay. So what happens in this alpha helix is the linear sequence get folded, so the structure looks like the folded. It is the helical structure. So this, from this amino acid to this amino acid, it contains the peptide bond along with the hydrogen bonds. So here only the peptide bonds is there. So here along with the peptide bonds, hydrogen atoms is also present. Okay. So one type of structure is alpha helix and another one is beta pleated sheets. So here pleated form. So you know pleated one by one. Instead of folding, it is get arranged in the pleated form. So this is the pleated form structures of protein. The amino acid will get here and the other amino acid connects here, 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 here. Step by step it gets connected. Okay. Next coming to the tertiary. So all alpha helix, beta sheets together joins the tertiary structure. So alpha helix, it consists of linear, it consists of beta. So all the dimensional structure will get contributes to the tertiary structure. So it looks like the 3D dimensional structure. Okay. So the last quaternary structure is combination of all the structures, primary, secondary, tertiary, and it is in the form of three-dimensional structure of macromolecules as individual polypeptide chains. So one polypeptide and another polypeptide, that is monomer, dimer, trimer, tetramer. So all the composed of the amino acids is the quaternary structure. Clear?